Hello happy souls, today we are going to replace the CVT filter element for Suzuki Access 125.
This is the first screw of the side cover, and in my case I have already removed it, and this is the second screw of the side cover. Take a screwdriver and remove the two screws so that we can get access to the CVT filter element. After removing the two screws, slide the side cover and pull towards your direction. Slide it in this direction and pull towards you. And this is another view. Make sure the side stand or the kicker stand is deployed first, and then slide it and pull towards your direction. It just unclips and you hear some sound and pull it. That's it. And now we got access to the CVT filter element. Take the screwdriver and remove the two screws so that we can get the filter which is inside the filter element. The sponge-like structure is a filter element that costs ₹16, but it is not available in the market and also in the Suzuki dealership side. I have waited for more than 2 months for that. If you want any spares, buy it and store it as a backup. And this is a filter element.
This is the CVT filter element. First remove the rubber from the CVT filter element and then take a small screwdriver or a tester and split the housing element of the filter into two parts. And at the other end there are 3 clips provided to lock the filter element. To remove the clips, you have to press downwards and you have to eject it. Handle it in a safer way so that not to damage any clips. When you press, it goes downward and it ejects. And after splitting the housing into two parts, take the O-ring or the rubber sealant part and keep it. If you have new one, you can install it, or you can clean it and replace it with the old one. Here I have cleaned the entire part with the diesel and already installed the O-ring, but it is damaged due to the wear and tear of the rubber. And after that, just press it and the clip locks. The 3 clips at one end and other at the other end will tight when you tighten the screw. And finally take the rubber part. It has a groove inside it, the same design as in the CVT filter element. Dip the filter element in oil and then squeeze the excess amount of oil from the filter element and install it in the position, and then take the housing element of the filter and position the bigger hole first, where we install the rubber part, and then the screw sitting area accordingly. And after that, install the 2 screws. The reason why we are dipping in oil is it catches the dust particles and sends a clean air to the CVT element and cools the belt and the clutch assembly. Take the side cover and install it. First deploy the stand and then try to seat the clips one at the top of the side cover. You could hear a clicking sound when it seats in the position. Press it directly and then after seating, slide towards front direction. And then it positions according to the screw area, and before that make sure it is also seated in the front area as well. If not, slide backward and then slide in. This is the area where it locks. And after that, take the 2 screws and install it. First at the rear, tighten it fully with the screwdriver, and after that in the front.